Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to fix PayPal cannot transfer your money problem. Okay, you need to know that this problem may be found due to many factors, and I'll tell you exactly what to do in order to solve this issue. First thing that you're going to do is to check whether your account has a limitation or restriction, because PayPal will block transfers if there are unresolved issues like identity verification, policy violations, or holds or reserves. So you can usually just see it right here in the notifications section. So if you have a problem with your account, you can just see a notification pop up right here, and then you will be able to see what your problem is. Now, another thing is you have to ensure that your bank account or your debit card are linked and verified properly. So you can do that by clicking on the wallet right here on the bottom right side, and then you are going to click on the wallet on the top left side here of your screen. And then from there, you are going to head over to your banks and cards and make sure that they are all connected. Now, you are also going to check if there are funds on hold or reserves placed common for recent large deposit. You can also just clear your browser or cache. And another thing that you can actually do is to make sure that you have the latest update on your phone. So in order to do so, just open the App Store or Play Store, whatever you have, Android or iOS. Then you want to make sure that you have the latest update. So when you go and choose PayPal and search for it, search for the application, click on it. Here you can find this update button beside your application. So this means that you have to update it. And once you update it, your issue will be solved. And if you still have the problem, you can simply go and contact PayPal support. You can chat with them, you can call them on phone, and you can send them even an email if you need to do so. Whatever method that is comfortable to you, you can use any one of these. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.